Well, hello, I'm Lyndon and thank you so much for coming to my channel. Today it's just a quick one. If you've ever wanted to master the fabulous tune Maiden Voyage on your saxophone, I've got something really exciting for you over on Sax Made Simple, saxmadesimple.com. I've created a deep dive tutorial for both alto saxophone and tenor saxophone that will give you everything you need to feel confident improvising over this classic modal tune, modal jazz tune. And here's what you get for just $5.99. You get a free PDF with the melody written out that's been annotated as well, so that if your reading skills are still developing, then that's okay, you'll be able to read it. You get another PDF with a very clear solo strategy written out. I've given you this fabulous exercise that you can use, not only Maiden Voyage by the way, but also any tune that you're working on. So this strategy is completely written out in very, very clear terms. You also get the basis of this strategy idea, which is a scale exercise. You get that as well, a PDF, and you get a chord chart, so there can be absolutely no doubt about the chords of this song. And you get a free backing track. It's included in the $5.99. You get a backing track that's got the head, 2 solos, and the head again. It's an absolutely fantastic tutorial. I worked really hard on this one to make sure that it was the best that I could possibly deliver. So let's have a look. I'll show you a couple of snippets. And that is a fabulous exercise that you should definitely do in all keys. You're getting this sheet, so I definitely recommend that you practice that. And the reason why is that we can use that for our solo. So what I'm going to be doing for the first chord of the chord chart of Maiden Voyage is I'm going to be starting this pattern. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3 snippets of that pattern and use that for my solo. So the snippets that I'm going to use are starting on chord tones. So I'm going to start on the 9th, and the 9th is the same as the 2nd note of the scale. So I'm going to start on C sharp, D, E, C sharp. Then I'm going to go... And that, my friends, is going to be my strategy over this fantastic tune. I'm going to be using this pattern and chord tones. So I hope you enjoyed that, and as I've said, the strategies that I've used could be used over any tune, so that there's lots of learning potential to have on these tutorials. So head over to saxmadesimple.com, download the tutorial. While you're there, there's tons of free resources that you're very welcome to: sheets, backing tracks, transposition charts, cycle of fifths. There's some free backing tracks on there. Go and help yourself and download all the free content, and then download Maiden Voyage as well. It's absolutely fabulous. Right, I'll see you in the next video. There's lots of really interesting stuff coming up on my YouTube channel over the next few days and weeks. And next year, I'm going to be putting my heart and soul into getting as much fabulous content out on my YouTube channel as I possibly can. So if you've got any thoughts about what you'd like to see, then do email me and I will think very carefully about any feedback that you give me. Okay, have a beautiful day and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.